Hello everyone, this is a full-length video on how Notion has skyrocketed my productivity and time management skills. I will be showcasing what my pages look like, my daily habits, and a template down for the Notion link down below. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the Notion here. I've created this page and everything just for you. It is a combination of a lot of different creators that I kind of picked and pulled different pages and tabs from. So huge respect to all of the Notion template creators. If you just look up Notion templates, there are thousands and thousands of different free templates, but here's mine. I hope you guys like it. So this is optimized for dark mode. As you can see, you can go up here and change it to light mode. Just really depends on what you like most. Like I said, most of these widgets are for dark mode. As you can see, this calendar right here and this calendar right here, they still look fine, but they're definitely optimized for dark mode here. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. This one is kind of cool. It has a little switch on it, so you can change back and forth. It also has it can follow system preferences, so it will automatically change. So let's go ahead and hop into the tabs here. This is my absolute favorite tab of all time. This is my daily tracker. So on the left side here, you can quickly mark off tasks for the day, and it shows in this tab right here. You can also see weekly and monthly. Obviously, I don't have too many months. It will give you the percentage checked of how much you did that month. It'll also have a progress bar right there for the day. This is for the week and the month. So let's go down into the actual daily tab. This is my daily schedule. You guys will have to optimize it for yourself, whatever works best for you. You will be able to edit these, and as you can see, it repeats every week, so you won't have to redo this template. It'll just auto generate every single week. So if we go into edit here, you can edit the template in habit tracker and really do whatever you want. I've got a pretty extensive tracking list because that's just what I like, but you guys are able to make it only one thing if you want. That's what I really recommend if you're just starting tracking your habits and everything. Only have one thing that you track, and do it. For example, someone in my comment section where we were having a discussion about this, do it when you are brushing your teeth, for example, and just start doing that. And progressively add. It's a lot easier to add habits onto existing habits like brushing your teeth. This topic is explained in Atomic Habits. This is an extremely good book. If you are really into personal and self-development, I would highly recommend checking it out. So anyways, I can't spend too much time on each page because there are so many, and I don't want this to be a 3-hour video. I'm hoping to keep it under about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's see here. In the career section, I left a lot of different tabs or pages that you guys can choose from. Everyone has personal preference. As you can see, this is one of the creators that I stole this from. Not stole, but here's a social media marketing agency, which I use personally. So really depends on what your personal preference is. You'll have to kind of take this template and delete some things that you don't like, add some things that you do like. Let's go into the Life Wiki here. There's a quick little notebook that you can have different views on, home notes, work notes, example. You can put so much different stuff. This is why I love Notion. Here's a student dashboard. I'm not currently in school, but I know there's a lot of people that are. So for example, let's go to a college class. If you were to have an assignment, you can type in the assignment, the course, date due, assessment or exam, and progress in here. There's also a little drag and drop, so you can say assessment 3, you haven't started it, you have started it, and it's completed. There is a bunch of databases in here, so you'll kind of have to do this for yourself and see what works with you. There's also a full calendar in here. This is my probably second favorite, the workout tracker. This is a full workout tracker that you can enter. Let's see here, a new page. You'll just have to click workout, enter the date, time. That's not really important. You can honestly delete that if you want. Location, same thing. You can delete that if you want. Difficulty, I find this really helpful for kind of tracking the reps that I do. So let's go ahead and put legs in here. So you can customize this for your own workout of the sets, reps, and weights that you want to do. This is all personal preference and strength. So you are able to fully customize this if you want. So as you can see, there's sets, reps, weights, notes. So you can type in notes here, which is extremely powerful for tracking things. What I've found works best for me is creating this kind of a weekly view of the workouts that I'm going to do. In my personal Notion, I've got a lot different presets and everything. I will go ahead and delete those so you guys don't have those in there. There's also muscle groups and everything that you can see. You can add new new exercises for here. For example, you can add a new hamstring exercise. Let me go ahead and delete that. That is daily and workout tracer tracker are definitely my two favorite pages in here. A few other things that you have are yearly goals that you can enter your goals in here. Monthly goals and reflections, weekly check-ins. There's so much that I put into this template for you guys. Like I said, in my personal Notion, I don't have all of these. I just kind of threw a lot in so you could kind of see what you like and what goes with your style. Let's see here. Books and Media Hub. This is also a really powerful one. So you can enter all of the books that you have read with author, date, finish, and kind of give it a rating. You can put notes and everything within this page, and it is super helpful to track all of the books that you've read. You can also do movies and shows and podcasts. In my personal Notion, I don't have movies and shows because I don't personally watch movies. Here are the database. All of these pictures are also customizable. All you have to do is go up to these three dots and replace. Unsplash is a super popular. That's where a majority of these videos or pictures came from. They're super high quality, and I would highly recommend. All you have to do is go into Unsplash and type something up and scroll through all of those pictures. Tons of different ones in there. So there's also some pages down here that have different things. You can kind of play with those. Like I said, in my personal Notion, I don't have this. Let's go ahead and hop over to my old Notion that I was using before. This was kind of all I was using. It was a pretty basic, but you know, it doesn't have to be super complicated, you know. Things like this, but here is the Notion that I'm using after I created all of this. As you can see, it's a little bit less tabs and everything. I put in a few toggle lists and stuff like that, which kind of minimizes the space that it takes and everything. So if you would like this Notion template, I'm sorry I kind of rambled on a lot, but it will be down in the description below. Thank you, everyone.